Ever wondered how to build a koi pond in your backyard? Imagine a tranquil oasis filled with graceful koi fish right at your doorstep. A koi pond isn't just a water feature, it's a piece of living art that enhances the aesthetic appeal of your surroundings. More than that, the gentle ripple of water and the serene swimming of the koi can have a calming influence, transforming your backyard into a peaceful retreat. Building a koi pond might seem challenging, but with the right steps it's easier than you think. Firstly, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a sturdy pond liner to hold the water and create a safe environment for your koi. A reliable filter and pump are essential for maintaining water clarity and oxygen levels. You'll also require rocks for aesthetic appeal and to provide hiding spots for your koi. And let's not forget the stars of the show, the koi fish themselves. Don't forget safety gear like gloves and goggles to protect yourself during the build. With all the materials ready, you are now set to commence the building process. Start by marking out the area for the pond. This will serve as your blueprint, guiding you as you transform your backyard into a tranquil oasis. Now the real work begins. With a sturdy shovel in hand, start digging the hole for your pond. Keep in mind that koi are hardy fish that require depth to thrive. Once you've dug a hole that's adequately deep, it's time to lay the pond liner. This barrier will keep the water in your pond and the dirt out. Next, you'll want to set up the filter and the pump. These devices are crucial for maintaining water cleanliness and clarity, ensuring your koi have a healthy environment to live in. Now comes the moment of truth. Start filling the pond with water. Watch as your creation comes to life, the water shimmering under the sunlight. Once the pond is filled with water, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to add life to your pond. The first step to creating a thriving ecosystem is to decorate your pond with rocks and aquatic plants. These not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your pond, but also provide practical benefits. Rocks create a natural and familiar environment for your koi, and the plants, they serve as hiding spots, offering your fish a sense of security. Now let's talk about introducing your koi fish into their new home. It's important to do this gently to avoid stressing the fish. Start by floating the bag of fish in the pond to equalize the temperatures. Then gradually mix the pond water into the bag before finally releasing the fish. This process helps your koi acclimate to their new environment. Remember, patience is key. Allow your koi ample time to explore and adjust to their new surroundings. And there you have it, your very own backyard koi pond. Building the pond is just the beginning. To keep your koi pond thriving, remember, regular cleaning is crucial. Clear out any debris to maintain a healthy environment for your fish. Monitoring water quality is also key. Test for proper pH levels, temperature, and oxygen content. And finally, feeding your koi. They need a balanced diet to stay vibrant and healthy. Remember, a well-maintained pond ensures the health and longevity of the koi fish. With these tips, you can enjoy the tranquility of a koi pond right in your backyard.